How to stop being lazy and change your life. Are you feeling lazy? Do you wake up in the morning but don't feel like doing anything? Do you tell yourself, I'll do it later, but later never comes? When you stop being lazy, you will change your life. Laziness is not about being tired. It's about not starting. Many people think they are lazy because they feel tired. But that is not true. Laziness is not about your body. It is about your mind. Think about a time when you had a big task to do. Maybe you needed to clean your house, exercise, or study. Before starting, it felt so difficult. But once you started, it became easier. You found energy and momentum. This is because action creates energy. When you start moving, your brain wakes up and you feel more alive. But when you don't start, you stay stuck. You scroll on your phone, you lie in bed, and you tell yourself, I will do it later. But you never actually do. So what is the solution? The secret is to start small. The biggest mistake people make is trying to change everything at once. Don't expect yourself to make big changes right away because you will feel discouraged. They say, tomorrow I will wake up early, exercise for an hour, read a book, eat healthy, and clean my house. But the next day, they wake up, feel tired, and do nothing. Why? Because the goal is too big. It feels impossible. The best way to stop being lazy is to start with one small action. For example, make a plan to exercise for half an hour tomorrow. Then, when tomorrow comes, make sure you achieve this one goal. Then, you can make a new goal for the next day and make sure you complete it again. This will make you happy and create motivation to do more. It does not matter what you do. What matters is that you do something you set your mind to do. When you take one small action, you feel a little better. You feel a little stronger. So, you take another small action, then another. And before you know it, you are not lazy anymore. Another good way to stop laziness is to create a routine. Laziness often comes from not having a plan. When you don't have a schedule, it is easy to waste time. So, create a simple daily routine. It does not need to be perfect. It just needs to guide you. For example, your routine could look like this. In the morning, your plans are to drink water and stretch for 5 minutes. In the afternoon, you will focus on one important task, such as working on a project for an hour. Then, in the evening, you will read for 10 minutes before bed. A routine helps you stay on track. And the more you follow it, the easier it becomes. Stop waiting for motivation. Many people say, I will do it when I feel motivated. But motivation is not the problem. The truth is, you will not always feel motivated. Successful people don't wait for motivation. They take action even when they don't feel like it. And here's the secret. Action creates motivation. When you start moving, you start feeling better. And when you feel better, you want to do more. So instead of waiting for motivation, just start. Even if it's small. Even if it's only for 5 minutes. The importance of overcoming laziness. Why is it important to stop being lazy? Because laziness is stealing your life. Every day that you waste is a day you will never get back. Every hour you spend doing nothing is an hour you could use to improve yourself. When you stop being lazy, you will have more energy. You will feel more confident. You will actually achieve your goals. And you will also create a better life for yourself. Think about your future. Where do you want to be in 1 year? Where do you want to be in 5 years? If you stay lazy, will you reach your dreams? The answer is no, you will not. But if you start now by taking small steps every day, you will become the person you want to be. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for motivation. Start now. Do one small thing today. It can be as simple as making your bed or writing down your goals. Then tomorrow, do one more thing. And the next day, another. If you do this, I promise you your life will change. You are not lazy. You are just waiting to start. And now is the time. Start today and change your life.